This is the Avita Essential 14 budget laptop. So budget laptop by Avita comes for a price of about 29,990, so under 30,000 rupees. Features a 14-inch ISP display, powered by Intel Celeron processor. So it's not a performance-centric one, but then it is under 30,000 rupees. Quite slow in their loading up speed and boot up. Again, expected under 30,000 rupees. There are better options available in the same price segment, but first let's take a look at all the other stuff this has.
With our work and our education going digital, having a laptop today is a necessity. Yes, smartphones are more accessible, but it is a laptop or a PC that helps us be more productive. Like any gadget, laptops also present a wide range to choose from, both in terms of specs and price. The one that we're reviewing today is on the lower end of the spectrum. The Avita Essential 14 is a budget laptop that promises to bring great value with an aggressive price tag. So is this laptop the budget king that it claims to be? And more importantly, is it worthy of your investment? Let's find out. The design of the Avita Essential 14 is quite basic. In its black profile, the laptop looks in line with its counterparts in this price segment. There is one peculiar quirk though. The webcam of the laptop is placed near the keyboard and not above the display. Does that affect the camera performance? Not really, but more on that later. While the laptop does carry a slim profile, it is the build quality that gave us some serious issue. The plastic body of the laptop is not of the best quality and the unit feels like a budget device. Clearly, this is a red flag for a rough user. On the connectivity front, we get one HDMI port, two USB Type-A ports, a micro SD card reader and a headphone jack. The lack of a USB Type-C port is a bit disappointing, but then this is in fact a budget device, so we let that pass. Turning on the laptop, we're greeted with a 14-inch IPS anti-glare display. Admittedly, the 1920 by 1080p panel was better than what we'd expected. Optimally bright and sufficiently vibrant, the display produced clear images and we did not face any issues working on it. Now, it's not 4K or Ultra HD by any means, but you will enjoy watching content on it without any issues. There was no ugly pixelation or saturation, which made the experience smoother and more enjoyable. Complementing this display is a fairly loud dual speaker setup that comes in handy for both video calls and watching content. Packing in some decent hardware, this budget laptop runs on Windows 10 Home. Powered by an Intel Celeron N4000 series processor, the Avita Essential laptop is not a powerhouse by any means. Giving relatively slow loading speeds and a sloppy user experience, working on the laptop tends to get a bit tiring after a while. Yes, the laptop was able to run applications pretty smoothly, but we were gazing at the loading screen more often than not. Packing in just 4 GB of RAM, the laptop struggled to keep up with our work and retain memory from multiple applications at a given time, which was annoying. But to be fair, if you are a student or someone who has a comparatively less workload, then there is a healthy chance that you will find the performance to be satisfactory. We also get to see an integrated Intel UHD 600 graphics processor, which doesn't really bring any real value to the machine, but it is better to have one than not. The variant with us comes with 256 GB SSD. The limited storage capacity might annoy users in the long run. Typing on the Essential 14 laptop is fun and wholesome. The chiclet style keyboard is clicky and has a satisfactory travel time. Just like most of its budget counterparts, the keyboard is not backlit. There is some time before we see that in a budget machine. The camera sensor on board provides decent image quality and should work well for video calls. And yes, the placement of the camera does not have any real-time effect on the experience. Giving us a mileage of about 3 hours on a single charge, the battery life of the Essential 14 is above average. However, this performance was for moderate to heavy usage, and we are sure that it does get better for a light user. And with that, it's time for the verdict. The Essential 14 laptop by Avita proves to be a bargain for its price of 29,990 rupees. However, if you are someone who can stretch their budget by a few $1,000s, then there are multiple options in the market today, like the Mi Notebook 14 e-learning edition or the Lenovo IdeaPad series, both of which offer better value.